Di pa buo, pero yeah, I think for more than a month now, guys, I've been living alone. I got my own place na. So I moved out of the Couple Joe house. It was fun. I mean, living with the boys, parang yun yung fantasy namin ever since we started. Like, alam niyo yan, very, wow, we're gonna live together for our dreams, ganto ganyan. Pero like, tawag dito, it's more of a personal thing kasi parang growing up, I've always had this sense of independence na I'd like to do stuff on my own. I mean, I definitely enjoyed our time together na living together and all. Pero there are times na I would get burnt out sa, yun na nga, there came a time na parang I just wanted this complete silence kasi 'di ba right before I